Oh, it's upside down, isn't it? Let's turn it around for you guys. There we are. This is EAS 72, I think. Almost to my goal here, guys.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Choctaw County in southwestern Alabama, northern Washington County in southwestern Alabama, Clark County in southwestern Alabama, until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:10 p.m. Central Standard Time,
I missed the flash flood warning.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Chatham, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near St. Stephen's around 6:20 p.m. Central Standard Time, Coffeyville around 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Fulton around 6:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, Thomasville around 6:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
There, cut out again. Okay.
Avoid windows.
There we are.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until
Don't know why this is
Central
dimming.
Standard Time for the following county: Choctaw, Alabama.
All right.
The National Weather Service in